Well, everyone, this is a video I've been wanting to do for a while, but I haven't gotten around to it. Today I'm going to be running all of my model trains. Well, not the rolling stock, but you get the idea. All four of these run, and this one, my T1 duplex, and unfortunately it does not run. I get it wired up. But anyway, first start off with possibly my very first, my first electrical locomotive. Let me just put the camera right here. Starting off with possibly my only electrical locomotive. Pretty much bought this because it had silver and red on it, and I thought it was such a cool combination. So, yeah. I did buy some Pennsy pasture cars, which you saw on the shelf, but yeah. Oh, by the way, one of the pantographs is off. I'm not going to replace it. I'm just going to leave it as is, but at least one of them is still working, so like that. So, yeah. Anyway, if I plug in my controller here, if I can find the other end of it, I'm plugging my controller here. Oh, by the way, 3 out of 4 of my locomotives are sound equipped, so there it is running. There's that. I usually just have it up here. The next one is a New York Central Pacific. This one I bought not too long ago. I actually bought it a couple years ago. It's a fine runner, so oops. Let me just get on the track real quick. Alright, I finally got it set up on the tracks. I have it set to ID number 3, so when nice working headlight. Not sure how well you guys can see that, but I don't have any New York Central pasture cars. Because I just don't. Yeah, there's that. Oh, dang it. It cut out. Not sure how well you guys can see all this, but hopefully you guys can see it okay. There's this one. I only have it on the table, which I'm not going to show you. This next one is kind of sentimental because it's actually my mom's locomotive. It's a nickel plate road 759 Berkshire. Well, no, the 759 is not its designation. 750, you get the idea. But this one, it had a glossy finish, and then it was in a basement for who knows how long, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of messed up. I did end up putting 2 traction tires on it, although I had to get rid of one of them. Although the one that I got rid of, it's not completely off, but it still runs okay. See how it rattles. It's not in the best condition. So it's a nice working headlight though. Yeah, it just derailed, so I'm not gonna test my luck with it. And last, by no means least, which is probably the only DC, well, is the only DC locomotive I currently have in my collection. A custom painted Mikado. So it's kind of weird. I bought this around the same time I bought the New York Central Pacific, but around the same time. And 2 months later, I got the Berkshire, and then after that I got the GG1. Like 3 months after that, I got the GG1. This one is under DC power, so I have it on number 10. It was originally DCC sound equipped, but it kept shorting after a couple months of use, so I just ripped all the components of the DCC stuff out and decided to convert it to DC. When you hook everything up, it does go. It just stalled. Apparently it does not run that well. I don't know what happened, but for some reason it's not running as well as it used to. So, but I tried to make it look like a Santa Fe Mikado. Didn't turn out that well, but hey, how it is. Now I do want to. I will show you this one anyway, even though I don't have the wires connected. I will show you that it does pick up power, so, because I'll bet you if I put these leads together, it will cause a short. Or that'll happen. Yeah, it's causing. I guess there is no power in the leads. Okay then. I do have the shell for it, but it's the motor. The gear kept falling off, so I had to glue it on. This motor does not have a great history. The second flywheel broke, so I can't use the front set of drivers. But I literally have to have the motor like at that angle. But yeah. Anyway, there's that.